Sonia, how you doing?
I'm getting the yellow lineup, but then how to fix the other one?
Oh boy. Stay tuned. Sonia has met her match.
Good morning, YouTuber. So, Mahrez, yeah, we are going to hotel today.
I'm going hotel today.
Yeah. Yeah, we are going hotel and we are stay and swim in a pool. So, guys, today we are going like our house with pool today and some board game. Yeah. One of our subscriber make we stay at one of her house in Richmond State. So shout out to her. Thank you.
Whew, that's hot. Hi, how are you? Interesting morning this morning. Not exactly going according to plan as yet, but equally as productive. So the boys were supposed to get up and wash their chonies this morning because they didn't want to do it yesterday on all of the adventures that we had going on. And they got to pack. We are headed out. We are leaving. It's over. Off to our next adventure. For the next 6 days, we are going off and living the high life, man, in more ways than one, at the Richmond Estates, just outside Ocho Rios, or maybe technically still in Ocho Rios, but near Ocho Rios. A big shout out to our subscriber that has allowed us to get to stay at their place. We do appreciate it, and an overwhelming response to a few months ago in my tirade about unaffordable housing in Ocho Rios, so I do appreciate it. If anybody's interested, we're going to give a nice house tour of the place. It is looking pretty fantastic. Never mind, there's a pool, there's beach access, there's a variety of different things I don't even know about, but when we find out, we're going to let you know, and I'll have some contact information in the description. If you're ever in the Ocho Rios area and you need a great place to stay at an affordable rate, we'll get you there. And there's Craig. He was the first one up this morning, supposedly. 6:45 a.m. Oi, I'm trying to record. Grandkids. Yeah, so gonna be an adventure today. Sonia's up and running. Coffee's flowing. Wheels are turning and going. And we're gonna get out of here pretty soon. I hope. I'm even bringing my computer. Actually have to go find my computer carry-on case that I used back a year ago to carry the computer. But yeah, bringing the computer, bringing the kids. I was hoping to get to bring Andre, but unfortunately he has graduation practice all week this week and had to cancel the event to join us. But that's all right. He will come with us on the next time. The grandbaby's coming. The boys are coming. Coffee's coming with, or we'll get someone when we're there. We're going to get out of here soon-ish. Well, don't just sit there. Let's go. Okay, I guess you can still sit there. We'll do all the moving. You just get the popcorn because it's about to get real. Morning, puppy. You're just gonna hang out with us on the veranda? Your new home? Away from home? You good? Okay. Good talk. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna be gone for a few days. 6, technically. I might be back a few days earlier to drop off Craig for his cadet camp, which will let me check on him, but I'm a little nervous leaving these lovely ladies all alone. So I'm giving them a good soaking today. And I'm watching way too many YouTube videos, but I can use a plastic bottle as like a dripper. I'm going to try and sort that out before we leave. So if you don't see it coming up soon, it didn't work out. But peppers are looking good. Man, hopefully I come back. This one will be nice and dark purple. Raring to go. Watered. Coffee, water. Cool. Coming to me live from the blowout land. Population, this guy. How you doing? You got it? Mr. Independent? Yeah? All by yourself? Yeah, that happened. I might be here a while. Ooh, give me the look, give me the look, give me the look. Hey, hey, ready. Kids. All right, special thanks to Mr. Junior. Yeah, that one over there. I said Junior.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's not on, dude. Cool. Yeah, we have found plastic bottles. We have found Q-tips. We found grandkids that want to live to see their next birthday. Stop touching my stuff, sir. Hoi! Chill. And we got tape. And we're going to repurpose skewers. Hopefully make a self-watering device. It's going to be time-lapse, don't worry. Well, doesn't exactly look like the video that I watched, but hopefully it gives a little bit of peace of mind that these guys will get additional water while we're away, at least for a few days, and I think they should be okay. Right? Our slow water drip system at its finest. Hi. It is running very, very slowly. That's why it's called a drip system, Junior. It is dripping very slowly onto the dirt. It's going to hopefully keep them from drying out while we're gone. Kids, they're just so impressed by any sort of accomplishments that you have. I appreciate you guys enjoying this process, because nobody else seems to be too interested, but hey, another use for plastic bottles. Cool. Are you ready? Are you ready? Where are we going? We're going to a hotel with a swimming pool. You want to come?
Yeah.
With a swimming pool? Should we bring Dave too?
Yeah.
We should bring Dave?
Yeah, and Andrea too.
Yeah, Andre can't come, man. We tried to get him to come, but he has a graduation coming. Yeah. You buckled it in?
No buckle him.
Alright, Dave's buckling in the PlayStation. Whew. Yeah, that's my computer, Dave. Careful, careful. Careful, we're soon ready. You would think that just packing for a 6-day adventure would be easy, especially when it's got everything you need.
Excuse me.
Hi.
Where's the iPad then?
They're in the bag.
Junior, you grab your iPad?
We're almost ready.
See, you grab your iPad?
Cool.
Your laptop. Junior, Sonia called you.
I'm not
Come on,
going
my
anywhere.
iPad,
I'm just
I'm
putting the
going
windows
to-
down. We were so close. I know, Mahrez, this is a great learning lesson for you. You want to have a relationship one day? You get to exercise patience.
Which part of your iPad?
They're in the Jamaica bag. Really? Maybe we'll get out of here soon. Hopefully. Everybody has everything they think they need. You have the money? You have the money, honey?
Yeah, no problem.
Alright, goodbye, house. Mahrez, say goodbye. We'll see you in 6 days with our backpack left outside. Goodbye. Richmond Estates, here we go. Okay. Yeah. Well, we didn't get very far. Gotta get gas first. But, yes. Finger in your nose, man. Now we're going ocean. Okay, this vacation traveling process is in fact a process. Got the gas. Now we're gonna get lunch and sort out what we're gonna get to bring for dinner. And the baby's sleeping. Unless Craig wants to sit in there, we'll put the windows down.
Just give me.
Hey, we're gonna make it. essentials in hand. Still headed towards Ochi. Well, I'm sure we'll find somewhere else to stop. Why not? We're not in a rush. We're on vacation. Right, we might get 2 or 3 birds with one stone. Dave's headed off to go see how much the barber is, right next to the pizza place. Junior's being Junior. And hopefully we'll get Craig out of here sometime soon. Craig, let's go. Pizza. Man, it just keeps getting better. Haircut trimming is $700 over here next to the pizza. Sent the boys off, get some quality we time, and some P&Q and R&R, and some pizza. I don't think it gets much better than this. Oh wait, it does, because we're going to Ochi. It's a face of excitement right there.
Not really.
Right?
Sonia, go to see if we get your body. Yes, sir. But, alright.
He's going on carried on Saturday, and they said he needs to have a clean cut all the way around here. It's supposed to be clean for that on his head, and then up here it's also supposed to be very low. You know about Kelly, right? I know some say I'm wedding the people in my area tell me yesterday. So we just have to go by what is it. Yes.
Meanwhile, Sonia and I are gonna discuss her rating. We rate beaches, and we think we should rate restaurants too. Son, take it away. How many out of 10?
Yeah.
Wait, on the count of 3. Yo! Yes, move over, little man. Sonia, that was your cue.
Ratings out of 10.
How good was the pizza compared to the other pizza you've had on the island?
Under.
This one is very good.
Very good. That's okay. So can we get a number out of 10?
I'll get a 9.
A 9 out of 10. All right. I agree. It is pretty fantastic. My favorite pizza on the island so far, and I think it does better than the chain restaurants. Not that there's anything wrong with the Domino's, but it's the brick oven pizza that just has a special flavor. And Sonia even pointed out they cornmeal the bottom of their crust.
Did you never notice that?
I didn't, get into the fine details of the ingredients and everything. I just ate it for enjoyment. And now we're going to Ochi. Hopefully. clapping. Let me see. Let me see your hands. Let me see. Rub them. Clap. Yay. Okay. Bye.
Come.
You don't even know where we're going. You don't even know where you're going. That's not where we're going. We made it. We're just gonna get all of our stuff out eventually. Doing great, guys. Thanks, Dave. Oh. Whoa. Ooh, go. Wow.
Champion.
Hey. Oh, no way. Wow. Mahrez, that's you, dude. You good? Alright, don't. Okay. Oh, you. Wow. Uh-oh, Dave. Uh-oh, Dave. Wow. Congratulations, Dave. Graduation cake. Oh, that's sweet. What was that? You gonna be okay?
Oh, see shoes, can you put the shoes in?
Oh my, that is a big. Dave, where are you going? Wow. Ooh-wee.
Yes, thank you, God. We have a TV also.
Oh no, you guys have a TV too?
Why me I bring Coke? Thank you, Miss Sharon, for surprising me with a cake and a champagne. Thank you. Big up for that. Yeah, guys. Big up.
Ooh. Oh, it's an infinity pool. See, Dave, that's what an infinity pool is. Yeah. What? Okay, Junior, you can race, okay? Yes, Junior, you can. You too can swim there, dude.
No,
Mine is not. jump on you alone or soon.
All right, coffee's hot.
Yeah, what me say?
Flowers are cool. Daddy Dave over here.
What's where you next time? You're fine.
I think we're gonna be here a while. Man, this place is... I didn't even know this was here. Even the flowers are cool. Look, me, flowers, coffee. Sonia. Wave, Sonia. I might even get her in the water. A man can dream, man. But yeah, we're gonna be hanging out by the pool. There's even a gym here. I should see it more than once, hopefully.
Yeah, but me not nobody for what.
A special thanks again, Miss Sharon, for allowing us to stay at your place. If anybody's interested in staying here again, contact information is in the description, and I can hook you up with her information, and you can enjoy this pretty amazing place, man. I don't think it gets much better than this. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. The kids are gonna swim. We're gonna make a day of it. Guys, you good?
Nice.
Oi, you good? All right. Mark, set, go. Who won? Who won? Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, okay. Wow. Cruising. Oh no, Junior. Okay.
Yeah,
Yay, clap him.
Yo, you're not even yet.
Right. It's that time. Okay. I'm gonna try to talk to the guys, okay? Yeah, it's that time to try and get one picture. Oi! One picture. One picture for the thumbnail. We're trying to get one picture, and this is what you get. We tried. Dave? We tried. Okay, we are getting the kids exposed to some amazing technology today. Today's adventure, what are we looking for?
Crushed ice.
Crushed ice from the fridge.
Oh, yeah.
Immediately. Okay, so we gotta read. Yeah, but we gotta read. We gotta change the setting. Which one are we gonna use?
This?
That says water filter.
This?
What does that say?
Crushed.
Crushed. Careful. Dude, no, you push the cup against this. Push the cup. Okay, okay. Look, what do you have?
Crushed ice.
Wow.
Come in over here. Come and sit this and the upside this.
Good job, Junior.
Crushed ice, someone.
You guys have anything crazy to say? Look at that. Ice. Crushed. It's first for everything. Crushed ice. There you go, Mahrez. You want more what?
More cup.
More cup?
Yeah.
You want more ice?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh? More? Okay. You want more? Oh, and juice. You just don't want ice? Okay, I'll get you some juice too. How's your ice? It's good? You just need ice, huh? Splash of juice and a cup full of ice and you're good to go. Oh. You good? All right.
Can I get some, please?
Oh, Willie share.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie, I grew up with crushed ice. Fortunately enough, and this is. You need your own crushed ice too. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ready? You ready?
Wait till news. You wanna dip on that all day? Or just sorry for solving. I just can't do it.
What is it called?
I don't know.
I told you what it's.
Rubik?
Rubik's Cube. Sonia, how you doing?
I'm getting the yellow line up, but then how to fix the other one?
Oh boy. Stay tuned. Sonia has met her match. No more juice. Not till dinner time. You can do it, Sonia. Now Junior on the crushed ice bandwagon.
Some juice, please.
Okay, Junior. I don't know. But we are having some amazing gourmet and cheese tonight. I say gourmet because that's me. Chill. Because we used an electric stove, and we haven't used an electric stove in a long time. Dave, when's the last time you used an electric stove?
Me no know.
Exactly. Translation. A long time. What? What? Yes. You ready to eat?
Yeah.
Let's eat. Man, if this place wasn't awesome enough, let me give you some perspective on scale here. Oi! Look at the size of that TV, man. Wow. Sonia, I think we can watch us in ginormo TV. Man. Honey,
I don't know what I'm doing.
you got 6 days to figure it out.
Well, 6 hours gone already and I'm still fixing. So if me have 6 days now go fix. Yeah, I'm just having patient. Can someone
Sounds like it.
solve this?
One side at a time.
One side at a one side.
Do you see that reaction? She's like, can someone tell me how to fix it? I give her a suggestion and then
One side at a time. All right.
I guess.
One side at a time.
Mhm.
Okay. One side. Then you go. No, one side at a time. Can't. All right. One side at a time. Then that side. Then you move the middle part. Because this middle part I can't move.
Okay.
So you have to move everything with this middle part move. So I don't know if you fix this.
Just keep trying, dear.
All you gotta take is just keep trying. Never give up.
Slowly but surely.
Just keep on trying. One day it will fix before we reach home.
Right. All right, another quality piece of getting to stay here is there's board games. Man, there's like Monopoly, Scrabble, what else? Ludi, and another one, and some cards and some dominoes, and there's hold on. And what? And darts. Oh, and TV. But hold on. Jenga. No, we brought the PS5 as backup. But anyway, there is a game that we actually saw a recent Mr. Beast episode that had Jenga. So, Jenga, dear. It is not shrimp. No, it is Jenga. So, gentlemen, the rules are simple. Mahrez, rule for you is you don't touch. Oh, it's too blurry. Mahrez, your rule, don't touch. You're watching this game. Okay, gentlemen, the goal of... Hello? Mahrez. Okay, the goal of Jenga is, Dave, to not start until we start. You cannot touch the top 2 rows. Okay, this row or that row. But each one at a time.
Me first.
No. One at a time, you take one piece out. Now, depending upon who's playing and how you play, some people say you can only use like 2 fingers, you can only use 1 hand. We're just going to let things go for this round. But, yes, you take one piece. So, for example, if I wanted to take... Oh, you gotta be careful. If I wanted to take a piece, I take the piece and then I put it on top. Okay, you know what time it is. I'm no expert when it comes to cutting cake, but Dave, I think we need some help. It might not be a birthday, but we're still gonna do the whole knife thing. There's the knife. There's the knife. On 3. Do you?
Everybody put down.
Everybody. 1. Oh boy. 1, 2, 3. Yo! Mahrez! Clap him, Mahrez! Clap him! Yay! Let's eat. Ooh, it's chocolate. It's chocolate. Craig's favorite. Oi! 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 One rule, man. One rule. Is it good? Yeah. Well, we should get some pieces and eat. Well, that's it for night number 1. Shampooed hair, how you doing? Everybody's having a good time. Boys are playing. And Sonia's doing what Sonia does best.
Yeah, I'm doing my own thing at this point.
Keep going, dear. You can do it.
Yeah, I don't want to get in no more trouble, so I'm doing my own thing.